Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into something that feels absolutely incredible, that perfect scalp scratch. But what if I told you that what feels good can also be amazing for your hair? We're going to talk about some seriously effective hair care tips that start right at the root. Let's get into it. So, why does a good scalp scratch feel so heavenly? Our scalps are full of nerve endings, and when we gently massage or scratch them, it releases serotonin and dopamine, those feel-good chemicals in our brain. It's an instant stress reliever, but the benefits go way beyond just feeling good. Stimulating your scalp actually increases blood flow to your hair follicles. Think of it like watering a plant. More blood flow means more oxygen and nutrients are delivered right where your hair starts to grow. This can lead to stronger, healthier hair, and can even promote faster growth. Now, let's talk about the right way to do it. You don't want to use your sharp fingernails, as that can cause tiny scratches, leading to irritation or even infection. The best tools are either the pads of your fingers or a dedicated silicone scalp massager. I absolutely love these things. You can use them on dry hair for a quick pick-me-up during the day. Or you can take your routine to the next level by using one in the shower. Here's a game-changing tip. Pair your scalp massage with your shampoo or a hair oil. When you're washing your hair, apply your shampoo and then use the massager in gentle, circular motions all over your scalp for a few minutes. This not only gives you that amazing spa-like feeling, but it also helps to deeply cleanse your scalp, removing product buildup, dead skin cells, and excess oil. A clean, unclogged scalp is the perfect environment for healthy hair to thrive. You can also do this with a nourishing hair oil before you wash. Apply a few drops of something like jojoba, argan, or rosemary oil to your scalp. Then massage it in for 5 to 10 minutes. Let it sit for a while before you shampoo it out. This pre-wash treatment is fantastic for